Hello YouTube, welcome back to another tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to be looking into some of the Microsoft Excel tricks, and one of them is using VBA. Now it's a very good feature that people can use to make up macros to ease up their work using simple commands. We're going to look into it today and we're going to see how it basically works. So I have my Microsoft Excel opened right here. Now as you can see, it's my blank sheet here opened and I want to access VBA. So that option is present in developers tools, which is not available on the top here, but it's no problem. You can either use Alt plus F11 to open developers options or open Visual Basic, or you can go to File, scroll down to More and go to Options. Now in this section here, you're going to go to Customize Ribbon and you're going to check this box for developer. You're going to hit OK, and there you go. Now you have developer options here. You're going to click on that, and in the start you can see Visual Basic. So as you can see, you can also open it using Alt plus F11. I'm going to open Visual Basic. Now you have this window open right here. So how you can write your codes in Visual Basic for your Microsoft Excel window? It's simple. You're gonna go to Insert, you're gonna click on Module. There you go, you have successfully created your first module. I'm gonna click on Full Screen, and there you go. Now let's write a simple code. Every code that you will write is gonna be in between sub. Yeah, it's asking me that it's an unidentified because I haven't named it yet. I will do it soon. I have created a sub command here. Now let's just name it test underscore VBA, and there you go. This is the name of the command. And now in this section you can write your VBA code. Let's suppose I want to write message box, and I'm gonna put inverted commas here, and I'm gonna put the text that I want to display. Let's suppose hello, this is VBA tutorial, and now we have to run this code. To do that, you're gonna put your cursor in between the sub and end sub tag, and you're gonna go here. You can either press this or you can go to run and you can press this and do it, and there you go. You have successfully ran your first VBA code. It's pretty simple. You can find tutorials on the internet, or you can find code formats on the internet to do it. And yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you do like and subscribe and turn on the notifications.